Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Focus Mk3 headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool for safety. You will need a flathead screwdriver and a T20 Torx bit for this task. Begin by locating the two T20 Torx screws positioned on the top of the headlight unit. These screws secure the headlight assembly in place, so removing them is your initial step. Next, after removing the two T20 Torx screws, you will need to carefully pull the headlight unit forward. There are usually clips holding it in place, so a gentle but firm pull is required to dislodge it. Once the unit is slightly free, reach behind and disconnect the main electrical connector. This crucial step allows you to fully remove the headlight assembly from the vehicle, providing clear access to the bulb housing. With the headlight unit out, locate the specific bulb you need to replace. You will typically find a plastic cap or a rubber boot covering the back of the bulb housing. Carefully remove this cover. Then, gently twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release it from its locked position. Once unlocked, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket, being mindful not to touch the glass of the new bulb when handling it. Now, insert the new bulb into the holder, making sure it's oriented correctly and seats firmly. Avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Reattach the bulb holder by twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Replace any covers or boots you removed earlier. Reconnect the main electrical connector to the headlight unit and slide the entire assembly back into its position. Secure it with the two T20 Torx screws. Finally, test your new headlight to ensure it works properly. Remember to check the description for the Echo Dot smart speaker link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.